Yep.
Hi, it's Paul here from Asquith Golf Club, and today we're out here on the 15th fairway and we're going to have a look at another rule, and that rule is the out of bounds rule. What does it actually mean to be out of bounds or in bounds in relation to the fence that you can see up along the side of the 15th? It could be any fence on the golf course, this rule still applies. So I've got Glenn with me again here, the vice captain of the golf club, to take us through the rule. So if we have a look down here, we can see two balls. We can see a string line that's set up there between the two posts. Now, Glenn, if you wouldn't mind, take us through and tell us exactly what you see with both of these balls.
When out of bounds is defined by reference to a fence or being beyond a fence, the reference point for out of bounds is the inside points. For out of bounds is the inside points of the fence post or the fence itself. In this case, we set up a string line to show the inside points of the fence post. For a ball to be out of bounds, all of it must be out of bounds. So in this situation here, this ball is laying outside the inside points of the fence post, so it is in fact out of bounds, although it appears inside the fence. This ball, on the other hand, because part of it is laying on the course side of the out of bounds boundary, it is in bounds.
Okay, all right, so that's an interesting point to make. It can be inside the fence but still be out of bounds. I think that's a very important point to make. Okay, so once we've determined that, what are our options with both of these balls? So this one here?
Okay, this ball here, because it lays out of bounds, the player's only option is to take a stroke and distance penalty. If the shot has been here as a result of the tee shot, the player must go back to the tee and play again. In the situation of this ball, which is in bounds, the player may play the ball as it lies, or another option would be to declare the ball unplayable and proceed under Rule 28.
Does the player get any relief from the fence?
Because the fence by definition is not an immovable obstruction, there is no relief from swing interference with the fence itself.
Okay. All right, I think that's pretty clear. So remember everybody, it's a line set up from the insides of the fence posts. It has nothing to do with the actual fence.